Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Nova 10 SE, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this phone if you have the screen lock protection enabled on it. First, we need to turn off our phone. To turn it off, press and hold the power button, keep holding it until you see the power menu on the screen. Once the power menu appears on the screen, tap on the power off option and tap on it again to turn off the phone. After the phone turns off, you need to press and hold the power button and volume up button together. So let's press and hold them. Keep holding them until you see the HUAWEI logo on the screen. Once you see the logo on the screen, you can release the power button. Keep holding the volume up button for a couple more seconds. And then you can release it and wait. And after a couple of seconds, you should enter the EMUI menu, basically the recovery menu for this phone. Now, select the option called Clear Data by tapping on it. You can also use the volume up and volume down buttons to move through the menu and power button to confirm. But you can also use the touchscreen, which I'm gonna do. So tap on Clear Data and here select Factory Reset. So tap on it. Now we need to type in yes and tap on Factory Reset to confirm. And as you can see now, the resetting process is going, so let's wait until it's done. Once it's done, you can tap on back and then tap on restart and wait. And once you see the welcome screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.